GitHub has made some great changes in how you upload things in their online version of working with it. And so I want to go over how to upload whole folders. It's really easy. It is so much easier than it used to be. And I do want you to know this is sort of a generic video. I use it in multiple classes. I'm just going to create a repository and how to upload folders. So I'm going to start by creating a new repository. Now you might have multiple classes that you do repositories for. So like my Programming 105 students would use this course, or would use GitHub. Web 105, pretty much all of the courses in our area use GitHub, and you should create a repository for each individual course, not each individual project, each individual course. So I'm going to create one for Web 105. And then I'm going to put in a description here, Web 105 2020. Now, if you get the student version of GitHub, you can make it private, otherwise it'll be public. You must add a README, and that will just set up the repository where you can use it and have something in it. So we're going to go ahead and create the repository. Now that we're in the repository, it doesn't matter if you're in programming, it doesn't matter if you're in the Web Fundamentals class, it has just gotten it incredibly easier to add files and folders. So I'm going to upload files, and it used to be that you'd have to put in a name and all sorts of things to create a new folder. Here, we can now just drop a whole folder. It makes life so much easier. And you can see that I have 2 files in that folder. The commit changes, add files via upload, that's fine. And I'm going to hit commit changes. Let's try that one more time. Okay. And commit changes. There we go. I'm not sure why it failed. That happens once in a while. Okay, now I have that to the text formatting level, got the folder for the file. In the Python class, you might be uploading individual files. You might be uploading folders. It just depends on what you're doing, and you can do it either way. My Programming 105 documents, I actually have, and I'm going to upload them here. Not that they're correct for this class, so I'll go back and delete them in a minute. But I have my Python files. I work in the ones that I downloaded with all the Python exercise files. So I have that set up. I put all of the work together. So I have several things in each chapter. And I encourage you to just work in those files that you downloaded, or you'll end up with multiple files for the whole chapter. And when we get ahead where we're using the data files or stuff, you can do the whole thing together, and uploading the whole folder at one time is just a simple way to do it. So again, I'm going to upload files, and I'm going to drag them here, and then I'm going to say completed chapter 12, and I'm going to commit changes. Now, it doesn't matter which class you're in when you are uploading. Please take me at least to the folder level, and for Python, unless you only have one assignment per folder, please take me to the actual file level. So when you're handing in the link, I want you to say, go to chapter 12 exercises, or for the web, go to the index page. Then you'll copy that link at the top there, and that's what you'll hand in. So I hope you like the new way that they have done this, where you can just upload a whole folder. I love it. It makes life a lot easier. So that is the way to use GitHub, upload folders, and hand them in.